In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the look of your Prezi using colors and fonts. In addition, I'm going to show you how to get your Prezi ready for presenting using paths and frames. Let's look at colors and fonts first. If I click here, I'm going to see a variety of themes that I can choose from. I like the look of the midnight theme, so I'm going to click on that one, and this is going to completely change the look of my Prezi. In addition to choosing from these preset themes, you can also use the theme wizard. The theme wizard is going to guide you through creating your own theme, so check that out if you're interested in that. Now, I want to show you the show button in the lower right hand corner. If you click on show, this is how you're actually going to view your presentation. This is how you would go through it if you were presenting it. Now, if I click on the right arrow, nothing's going to happen. And this is because I haven't linked these objects together using paths. So let me get out of this. And I'm going to go to path now. What path does is path is going to link the various elements on your page together and tell Prezi what order you want to show them in. So I'm going to click on bats first of all because that's what I want my viewers to see when they first come onto my Prezi. And when I click bats, it's going to go into the lower part of the screen and have a 1 on it. This lets me know that bats is the very first frame that people are going to see. And I want them to see echolocation next, and then the picture of the bats, and then the video of the bat. Okay, and if I click show this time, and click the right arrow, I'm going to be able to see my presentation. So it's zooming in on each of the elements that I chose in the correct order. And as you can see, the video automatically starts to play. Alright, so I'm going to click in to get out of this. And as you can see, the presentation is still zoomed in, so I'm going to zoom out so I can see it a little better and center it. I did notice one problem with my presentation. My citation didn't show up with my picture, and I wanted those to show at the same time. The way to do that is to put a frame around those two elements. So I'm going to click on frame, and I'm going to choose the rectangular frame. And to use a frame, you're just going to draw around the elements that you want to show at the same time in your presentation. Okay, so those have a frame around them now. Now I need to change the path though. Let's go back to the path. The reason I need to change it, if you look down here at these miniature slides, only the bats are showing in the third frame, and I want the bats and the citation to show at the same time. So I'm going to take the 3 that's currently on the bat picture and just kind of put it in the empty space, and that slide is going to disappear at the bottom. So I want to move this empty node here that's between the 2 and the 3 onto the frame around the bats. Okay, and that's going to insert a slide with the bats and the citation at the same time. Now when I run through my show, I'm going to see the bats and the citation at the same time. Okay, so I'm happy with my show, and I've basically just created a Prezi. The next thing that I need to do is to embed this Prezi on my eFolio world. Now Prezi does save automatically, as I mentioned in the other video, but I'm going to click save just to make sure that it's completely saved. I'm going to click exit, and this is going to bring me to a page where I can share my Prezi. To get the embed code, click on Share, and then click Embed, copy code to clipboard, and then switch over to your eFolio world. And I'm going to pretend like this is the Prezi that's supposed to go into my Success and Leadership page. So I'm going to click on Success and Leadership and Build, and I need to create a new content HTML for my embed code. So add new HTML and create. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my embed code, title it, save it, and then I'm going to go down to my content, look under HTML, and then drag my Prezi over. And when I preview it, I'm going to see my Prezi embedded on the page. And you can actually play your Prezi right from this page.